Alright, hey everybody, it's Andy's free guitar chart videos here. Hello YouTube subscribers, Facebook friends and group members, general guitar enthusiasts, anyone who's happened along this video. This is Andy's free guitar charts video, where I use these charts in a unique fashion to teach guitar. And it's how I taught myself, improved the guitar. Of course, I taught myself guitar 30 years ago a little bit with books and stuff like that. And that's how I got the idea to start labeling the notes, because every guitar group book has the notes labeled, right? So that's how I got around to the idea of putting the notes onto the fretboard, and then I colored them, because my eyes can't see the difference between, I thought, okay, well, there's 3 accidentals. If it was all in black and white, and I did have it in black and white, but I still got a little confused, where was I? Was it an F? Was it a C? What, even though I have the note shapes. So I colored the notes, and the note coloring pattern should be included here. Okay, so voila, I've adjusted the chart. I can make last minute adjustments on the chart using the Earfin View program, the freeware. And so I've got the note colors down here, the color schemes, and as you can see, now these are little egg-shaped dots. They look like eggs, but they're dots. It's just that they get kind of, the eccentricity, they get kind of squished sometimes. And that's what happens with also with these notes here, because if you could imagine, if you look at this G here, okay, if I was to stretch that G way up here, then it starts to look like a G on a piano. All right, it starts to look like a piano G note, which would be the way that the piano G note is shaped. Let's see if we can get a better color than that, like yellow or something. So the piano G note is actually shaped like this, and then it's shaped like this. So that's pretty much the shape of the piano G note. Of course, it's not. If you told me, look at that note, what is it? I could tell you what it is, because the G note has a small foot on the left and a medium foot on the right. Okay, the only note that's equal with the left and the right foot is the D note. So, and the A is the opposite of that. So that's what, we get used to squishing these things up and down. It's kind of like, poking fun at it. But anyway, here are the note colors that I've chosen. The dark notes here are the accidentals. And as you can see, so from E to F, F is white, we have the 3. We got F sharp, G sharp, and A sharp. And then to B. But if these were all white notes, they'd be too hard to see. And this is where the the dots are. Okay, so we got a dot on the G, on the A, on the B, and on the C sharp, and the double dot on the E. So that's nice. So today's lesson is going to be focusing on, and I'll just undock this for a minute. Hopefully it'll stay there. The 10-string pattern stack and the string shapes fretboard. And it's a good thing I looked at that. I was like, well, am I going to undock it and look at it? This is the 10-string pattern stack. Because this is, obviously it's review for me, and I'm thinking of the hot topics and how I'm going to play this or that. It all starts with, and this isn't important right now. This kind of setting circle here. You see, it kind of looks oval-like, as if it's going through an atmosphere or something. The 10-string pattern stack for 6-string grouping P4 tuning unwarped all 5 cage shapes. What the heck does that mean? Okay, first of all, P4 tuning, here's the regular tuning of the guitar. But if you tune these, if you tighten these top 2 strings to this, so that when you played on the fret nut open, that's what they'd be. That would be P4 tuning. But the regular tuning is, so P4 tuning would be, I kind of knocked the capo off there. My voice is kind of grumbly this morning, but as anyone who's been following my videos, you know that if I didn't make a lesson because I had a cough or a grumbly throat, we wouldn't be here. We wouldn't have any lessons, because I think since I've been doing it all season, I've had some kind of allergies or something going on. So I take a little day pill before this, so maybe that's why I'm so talkative. Anyway, so let's look at our pattern stack here. This is muy importante, okay? And this is a dual pattern stack. So we have the S2L, and then on top of that we have the S3L pattern, and then repeating again the S2L pattern, repeating again the S3L pattern. Okay, so it's S2L, S3L, S2L, S3L. But why did I show them twice? If I just wanted to show the transition from S2L to S3L and from S3L to S2L, I'd just stack 3 of them like I did yesterday, and I had to fix that chart. So I did fix that chart yesterday. The previous chart, when we refer to that, it'll be a total 10 string pattern stack. The reason why I've shown the additional S3L here, it's not redundancy. What it is we want every case of every string to be shown. So this would be the C shape. Okay, the A shape would be, say we could do that in light blue. So the A shape would be from 6 to 6, like that. And these are the colors that I use for this kind of stuff. So going over to the D shape, we're looking for purple. You know, some kind of purple. So it's going to be, it might be an indigo or something, but it's that really cool looking color right there. So the actual color for D is light purple right there. So if you look at this down here, string 5, counting from the bottom, so my convention is lowest E. So here's our piano. Are we tuned to that? Hopefully we're tuned good. I'm going to tune up to C now. So my 5 or N+1 note are C, F, B flat, E flat, G, and C. Okay, and then I put the capo on the E where your fret nut is, and I get E, A, D, G, B, E. Alright, so I forget where we got onto that. Okay, so the convention is, this is string 1 is the low E. 1, 2, 3, 4, string 5, and string 6. Whoops. Trying to make some music there, huh? So this is between string 5 and 6. The tuning here is the 3rd. So G, the G note, you see the dot there going to the B, is a 3rd there. Now when I'm counting up in fourths in note fourths, from G